Here in Onondaga County, 12 people are being quarantined in their homes after arriving back to Syracuse from China.
That's right. The health commissioner stresses that they're not feeling sick, but because of their travel to a coronavirus-infected area, they are taking precautions just in case they caught the virus. News Channel 9's Andrew Donovan is asking if Central New York is prepared when the first case does come.
Within 24 hours, the Onondaga County executive went from meeting with the CDC at the White House to sharing those plans with his community.
Ryan, what's your biggest worry right now about coronavirus?
Yeah, you know what? I thought the fact that I was where I was for the last 4 days was really helpful as far as me easing my concerns, the access we had to the individuals who are literally leading the charge on this issue throughout the country. So I feel that we're prepared.
There are no confirmed cases and no pending cases in Onondaga County. But if coronavirus does hit Central New York, the county is planning to ensure emergency responders and doctors know what to do. The county executive will leave it up to his health commissioner and hospital experts to decide if schools or public gatherings need to be shut down.
We're not at a point in our community where people should not go shopping and should stay in their house all day long and should not go to work. If you start to see symptoms and you're sick, stay home. If your kids are sick, keep your kids home. And so that's just common sense, regardless of COVID-19.
He's not a doctor, but the county executive's prescription right now is for people to remain calm. In Syracuse, Andrew Donovan, News Channel 9.